Today we're going on a little adventure. We are staying at the Airbnb in Vista Mar, and we're coming down the road to San Carlos. And so as you're heading like from Vista Mar, like toward, you know, Panama in that direction, you'll see loud trucks. You'll see this sign on the side of the road for San Carlos, and you'll see this Fontanella del Mar. We're gonna turn down there, and there hopefully will be waiting an adventure for us down there. Okay, so we drove through a few little streets down to, and you can see that Fontanella del Mar is actually right across the street from where we're going. So this part here says that this is parking for the fishermen. So what we are doing today is actually coming to San Carlos to see if we can buy fresh fish from the fishermen here. Our Airbnb host, Bala, told us that it's a fun experience to come down here, so we thought we would give it a try. We're going to bring you along and show you what's going on down here. The Virgen del Carmen, she says welcome here to Playa Ensenada. Fonda La Tia Mariela is here, so if you wanted to eat something. Okay, are we ready to go see if we can find some fish?
There's fish right here.
You think there's fish right here? Let's see. Did we bring our cooler?
Of course not.
No, so you just want to put stinky fish right in the chimney.
Well, we're like 3 minutes from the house.
Yeah, you can carry them in your lap. I'm in a mood. I've been in protests now for well over 2 weeks. You see this hair? I didn't even have the energy to brush it today. I'm so with everything. Hopefully fresh fish will make it better. So I don't know where we're at in the video series, but when we went to Boga Bar in Vista, in Vista Mar, that is Boga Bar right there on the end. So this is the marina. This is the little path that we walk along when we go to the marina in Vista Mar. So it's literally right on the other side of that. But look at these cute little colorful boats. Like, are you kidding me with this? This beach, guys, is amazing. It's just like all these adorable little boats and all these little adorable fishing boats here. I mean, there's no one on the beach. Yeah, like if I was a beachy person, I would totally come down here and hang out. Oh, I see fishing nets in some of these boats. Okay, so we walked down to the water's edge. It's nice and calm today. We were out the other day and like there were some pretty good waves, and this whatever this little area is off of here, I'm not a surfy person, but there were big waves coming in off of that. That looked like a pretty good surf break. I mean, if you want a private beach, this is the way to go. That's for sure. Of course, this is about maybe 9 a.m. on a Tuesday with the country under lockdown for protests. Okay, we're gonna go up and find fish now. We might be too late for fish. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything organized. I don't know if it's like maybe in this building because something's going on here. Perdón, ¿es posible, compramos pescado aquí?
Pescado no tengo pescado.
Sí. No.
Calamar.
Okay, so he has squid. Mm-hmm.
Calamar, cambute y camarón.
Oh, and he has shrimp, Brian. Yes. Sí.
2 libras en un lado, 1 libra en el otro.
¿Qué es el precio?
Hielo.
No.
¿Me va a echar hielo? ¿Qué le pasa?
Oh, this is exciting, fresh shrimp. ¿Qué es el precio?
Camarón, este está $3.
Okay.
$3. Hace choumí, arroz frito.
All right, then we're gonna get some shrimp because I don't know how to cook conch. Okay, we have decided to get 2 pounds. Okay, Brian, you know that of all of my Spanish that is good, what is the one part of my Spanish that is the worst?
Numbers.
Like, I can go like to 20 and I'm good. Like, once it starts getting like 20, 30, 40, 50, I get all confused. Okay, what did he say per pound?
$3 a pound.
No, he did not. Because that's what I thought he said, but I was like, no, I have to be wrong. You're freaking kidding me.
No.
Are you sure? What? What? Okay, we'll find out here in just a minute how good his numbers are. A little bit more, he says. Okay. All right, we're gonna see how much this is. And it's not gonna be super stinky. Gracias.
Seis.
It was $3.
Gracias.
Let's see. ¿Tú eres aquí todos los días?
Sí, todos los días.
Okay. Gracias.
Gracias.
We just got 2 pounds of shrimp for $6, and I'm about to like caca in my pantalones. I cannot believe how cheap that is. Okay, that's our adventure so far for today. Maybe we'll have some more. I don't know, because everything's scattered right now. Okay, can you flipping believe how cheap that was? I still am just like, what? I mean, we would pay $10 a pound for that in Los Angeles if we were on sale. Exactly. We'd have to watch the flyers and get to the store when it opened.
Frozen.
And it would be frozen. Exactly. All right, so what are we going to do with this shrimp? You're the chef.
We got all kinds of shrimps. We can make shrimp gumbo, shrimp bowls, shrimp fried shrimp, shrimp tacos, shrimp enchiladas.
Okay, we got it. Wait. So we don't have a whole lot of spices, so we're gonna head to Coronado and go see what we can find to cook up our shrimp with. This was fun. Okay, this has kind of turned my day around a little bit. Anytime I feel
Thank you, Brian, for getting me out of the house and forcing you to do this.
intolerable, locked up, like in a beautiful prison, locked up with this man for 2 weeks. Kill me now.
Right now I can say what I want because we're not outside a 5-story balcony.
All right, we'll come back to you from Coronado grocery store. I'm not sure which one we're going to. We're going to 99 or Ray?
We need to hit probably Ray, or we'll hit both, but we need to hit the vegetable stand on the other side.
Yes. We are going to actually go to a real veggie stand today because the grocery stores have cero vegetales, none, because the trucks aren't coming through from Cherokee. But we've noticed that some of just like the individual vendors on the side of the road have had some, so we'll take you along on that too. It's all about food today. Just come hang out. We don't know what we're doing.
Stress eating, that's what we're doing.
Stress eating, that's what we're doing. Like, there's a vegetable shortage in Coronado, and we have not even discussed this. What's the other shortage item in Coronado since we've been here that we have caused?
Cookies.
Cookies. What have I got you doing, Brian?
Peeling all the shrimp from the Pacific.
Everyone there ever was in the whole Pacific.
Ever was.
They're pretty little.
Well, they vary. They go from little, to medium, and then a little bit bigger than this.
Okay. Well, that'll keep you busy and out of my hair for a bit. Okay, Chef Brian, you've told me that dinner is ready. What can I expect?
Well, after our little trip over to the beach today, and we bought 2 pounds of shrimp, which may be a little overzealous on our part.
It's shrimp.
Yeah. I've been putting together a little coconut rice, added a little corn and black bean to it, sauteed the shrimp in a little bit of, I'm going to say citrus marinade with some red pepper and onion, and then cutting up this monster avocado that...
The avocados here are on steroids, like no joke.
That we got at the roadside little vendor.
Awesome.
And going to warm up some tortillas right now, and then it's food time.
Yay! Look at the magnificent meal my husband has prepared.
We just need salsa.
It just needs salsa. Well, no, I don't think it does. Not for mine. I think I'm fine. Okay, so look, before I go sit down, I'm just going to taste this real quick. Because if it's junk, I don't want to have to walk all the way back to the trash can. So
Wow.
all right, I'll let you know. Oh my God. That is so good. It's so light and citrusy. Good job, dear. Yeah.
Knock this one out of the park.
You knocked this one out the park.
I survived one more day.
You're only as good as your last meal, though. All right. Hopefully I don't have food in my teeth. But that is our adventure with visiting the fish place in San Carlos, then going into Coronado and getting some things that we needed and coming back and cooking it. So it's kind of like a full circle video. Don't forget, click subscribe, hit notify, so you'll always know when we post something new on YouTube, and make sure you join the I Go Panama Facebook group linked below. We'll see you over there and answer any questions you got about Panama. All right, till then, I gotta go eat.